Alright, well I think that'll do, so let's bring it home. But 16 metres away, so here it is, right here. Here we go. That's pretty good, that's where it took off from. Alright. I'm starting to feel a bit peckish. And I need a coffee. Let's get out of here. Go to the Outpost Cafe and have some breakfast. Temperature 16 degrees. It's getting warmer. And the time is, what time is it? 7:13. 7:15. Oh boy, that sun's a nightmare. Absolute nightmare. I've got an internal visor here somewhere, I think. Here we go. I can't see the dashboard and I can't see the GPS. They're all black. I've seen this guy here, the person that lives there, on his ride-on mower. Big job, even on ride-on mower. Oh boy, oh, hit that bump hard. Alright, get rid of this internal visor because it's so bloody dark I can't see a thing. Gotta find it. Here we go. That's it. Okay. That is better. I've got most of the vision back. I can see everything. What about a dark internal visor? Like some road workers off to do some sort of repair and maintenance. Morning. Oh, it's cold when you get out of the sun, that's for sure. It says 15 degrees, but it feels a lot colder than that. Oh, God. Shorts and t-shirts, and it's 15 degrees still. I know it's going to warm up when the day goes, as the day goes on, but bloody hell, it must be chilly first thing in the morning. A pair of shorts and a sleeveless shirt. Yeah, they've all got their jackets on. Right, left to the outpost. And some coffee and food. Can't see. Yeah, nothing. What have we got in front of us here? It's a Royal Enfield Himalayan, I think. Maybe not. SJN. Right, here we are, Outpost Cafe. Well, someone's taken my table around there. Don't they know that it's mine? Oh, well. Too bad, so sad. Can't see, can't see, can't see. Yeah, nothing. Can't see, can't see, can't see.